आज हम कर रहे हैं क्विज नाउन पर और ये है 20 सेंटेंसेस की क्विज। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। And the first sentence is, which word is noun in this sentence? The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. Sleeping is a verb. काम हो रहा है तो कौन कर रहा है? Cat. तो answer is cat. The noun is a naming word and cat is a name of an animal. Let's move to the next question. Which of these is a noun that names a place? एक जगह का नाम है school, apple, happy or run. Run is a verb. Happy is also an activity. Apple is a name of fruit. तो place का नाम क्या है? School. So answer is school. A noun can make a location where name of a location where people go and like school, playgrounds and etc. etc. Let's move to the next question. Choose the proper noun from the list. Proper noun means किसी जगह का नाम. So book is a journal name, not a proper noun. London is a name of a city. So answer is London. Boy is a common noun. City is also common noun. So proper noun are specific names of people or places and always start with a capital letter. Remember, proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Let's move to the next question. What is the plural form of the noun box? Boxes, boxen, box, या boxes. So the correct one is D. Boxes. When a noun ends with X, we add ES to make it plural. Let's move to the next question. Find the noun in the sentence. The red car is fast. The red car is fast. Fast जो है वो red is a adjective. Adjective किसको बताता है? किसके बारे में टॉक करता है? Noun के बारे में. तो इसके अंदर noun क्या है? Car. It's a name of a thing. A noun is a naming word for a thing and car is a vehicle. तो इसके अंदर car जो है it's a noun. Let's move to the next question. Now you have to talk about a collective noun here. Birds, flock, sing या tree. See, birds are the name of the birds. लेकिन उसके collective noun जो है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Flock. So answer should be B. A collective noun is a single word used to describe a whole group, like flock of birds. तो हम जब बहुत सारे ग्रुप में लोगों को देखते हैं तो हम उसे कहते हैं crowd of people. उसी तरह अगर हम birds को देखते हैं तो we call it a flock of birds. Rather than saying birds, हम उनको सीधा बोलेंगे it's a flock of birds. तो it's a collective noun. जैसे pride of lion कहते हैं. Similarly, flock of birds कहते हैं. उसे कहते हैं collective noun. Let's move to the next question. Which noun is a thing here? Thing मतलब कोई चीज. Park is a place. Dog is an animal. Teacher is a human being. Pencil is a thing. So answer is pencil. That is a thing. A pencil is an object or a thing that is used to write. Let's move to the next question. Identify the proper noun. My friend Tim likes pizza. Proper noun होता है specific noun, अभी डिस्कस किया था, and it always starts with a capital letter. So likes is not a proper noun. Friend is not a proper noun. Pizza, हम सारी पिज़्ज़ा को पिज़्ज़ा ही कहते हैं इसलिए collective noun है. Sorry, common noun है. So Tim is a name of a person, इसलिए that is a proper noun. Tim is a proper noun. Tim is a specific name for a person and it is capitalized. और ये भी ध्यान रखें कि ये T से जो शुरू हो रहा है वर्ड वो T कैपिटल में है. So proper noun is always in capital letter. So this is the answer. Let's move to the next question. Which of these is a plural of child? Childs, childish, children या children's. हम ज़्यादातर मिस्टेक करते हैं इसके अंदर ये यूज़ करके, but answer is this one, children. Child is in an irregular noun that changes its form to children when there is more than one child. Let's move to the next question. Which word is noun in the sentence? The flowers smell nice. किसकी बात हो रही है? Flowers की. Smell is not a noun. The is an article. Nice अच्छी है. Flowers are the noun. So select flowers. Are living thing. Flowers are living thing and serve as a naming word noun here. Let's move to the next question. Which of these noun is a person? Person मतलब इंसान है. Hospital, it's a place. Doctor is a person. Sick is बीमार होना and medicine is a thing. तो इसके अंदर आंसर होना चाहिए डॉक्टर. Doctor is a human being with a specific job, making it a personal noun. तो personal noun है ये, personal noun, इसलिए we call it a personal noun क्योंकि किसी person को नाम दिया हुआ है हमने. Let's move to the next question. What is the plural of leaf? पहला वाला leaves या leafies या leaves या leafies. Again, C is the right one. Leaves. For a noun ending with F, we usually drop the letter F and we add VES. तो जब भी किसी लेटर के किसी वर्ड के पीछे F लगा हुआ है, जैसे नाइफ, वाइफ, ऐसे वर्ड के पीछे F लगा होता है तो we remove F and we add VES. So this is the answer. Let's move to the next question. Choose a common noun in the sentence. Paris is a beautiful city. Paris is a beautiful city and we have to find a common noun. Paris is a name of a place. It's a personal noun. Beautiful is an adjective. Sentence में the city is a place. जिस जो है common noun. So answer is city. City is a general name for a place, so it's a common noun. Right? Let's move to the next question. Which noun names an animal? Grey, trunk, elephant or big? इसके अंदर से grey is a color, trunk is a part of a plant, tree. Tree की trunk भी होती है, animal की भी trunk होती है, elephant की. But that's a part. It's not an animal. Elephant is an animal, so answer is elephant. An elephant is a large living creature which falls under animal category of nouns. So let's move to the next question. We got our answer. Is the word happiness a noun? Happiness एक position है, कोई name नहीं है किसी, but it's an abstract noun. So yes, it's an abstract noun. Yes, it's an abstract noun because it names a feeling or an idea that cannot be touched. तो एक एक्सट्रैक्ट नाउन भी होती है जो आपकी एक स्थिति को बताता है, उसे हम एक्सट्रैक्ट नाउन कहते हैं. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज अ प्लूरल ऑफ बेबी? बेबी का क्या प्लूरल होगा? बेबीज होता है, विच इज द सेकेंड ऑप्शन, बी. BABIES. फॉर नाउन एंडिंग विद Y we change Y to I and add ES. Let's move to the next and beautiful next question. Which word is a noun? Jump over the fence. Jump over the fence. Jump एक activity है, it's a verb. Over the, ये preposition है over. Article है the. The fence is a word which is name of thing. So answer is fence. Fence is an answer. Yes, am I right? Yes, I am right. A fence is a thing or an object, making it a noun. ये non-living thing है. Noun होता क्या है? Noun is a name of place, thing and animal. किसी भी चीज को जिसको भी हमने नाम दे रखा है वही noun है. तो fence is a name of a thing. That is why this is an answer. Let's move to the next question. Which of these is a proper noun for a day of the week? Week, Monday, day और tomorrow. Proper noun है मतलब capital letter में होगा and the answer is Monday. Monday हमने एक name दे रखा है week day को, तो Monday is a specific name for a day and always starts with a capital noun, capital word. So it's a proper noun. Let's move to the next question. Find the noun that is a place. एक जगह का नाम है. The beach is sunny. सिंस इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉपर नाउन, ये शॉर्ट में होगा, कॉमन नाउन है। और प्लेस कौन सी है? बीच, तो आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? बीच। बीच इज एन आंसर. So the beach is a location or an area where people go, making it a place noun. जहाँ लोग जाते हैं उसे हम noun बोल रहे हैं, place noun. Let's move to the next question. Which of these is a noun in the sentence? She has a pretty doll. उसके पास beautiful pretty doll है, सुंदर doll है. तो doll is a noun because it's a name of thing. Pretty is an adjective. And she is a pronoun. So here our noun is doll. Yes, a doll is an object or a thing which is a type of noun. Well, my video ends here and we have done all the 20 questions correctly. I hope आपको ये पसंद आएगी video. I'll meet you next time with another quiz. Till then, bye. Take care, enjoy.